Fly with me, private nights. Passport stamps and expensive mistakes. She like rooftop dinners over cheap dates. Champagne dreams